everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on understanding blind spots. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of blind spots, and I'm going to help you to understand what they are and why you should be checking your blind spots before you switch lanes or turn or pull over or do anything of that sort. Basically, before you move your car, for the most part, before you change the position or the direction of your car. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you two mirrors. You have your side mirror here, and then you have your rear view mirror there. There I am. Hello, how are you today? So, you have your side mirror and your rear view mirror. And basically, your blind spot, just to go over what it is a section on the side of your car, on the sides of your car, either side basically, in which neither of these two mirrors can actually allow you to see. I'm going to give you an example. Now, it's going to be hard because the camera, I want the camera to be where my head would usually be. So if I pull the camera all the way back here, I'm going to show you that the rear view mirror right here, it shows behind the car. So you can see right there, I can see all behind the car. Now, obviously, from my actual perspective, I'm going to have a better view than this because I can see a little bit more because my head is a bit further back. It's more like that, let's say. But I'm doing my best with the camera. So I can see behind my car, okay? And, you know, with the exception of the mirror that's there for my child's car seat, I would be able to see a little bit more if that mirror wasn't there. But I can see behind the car. And over here in this mirror, I can actually see beside the car. You can see right there is actually the side of my car, and all of this space right here is all beside my car. Now, you'll notice I'm parked beside a van. Check this van out right here. First of all, it's a nice van. I really like the van. But I'm just kidding. It's my coworker's van. It's a very nice van. But anyways, you can see the van right over here. Now, I can't see that van in the rear view mirror, nor can I see it in the side mirror. You can see there's no van that I can see right there at all. But the van is beside me. Now, yes, if I'm looking forward, okay, if I'm looking forward and I'm driving, I can see like this much of the van in my peripheral vision. But all of this, see all this van right here? The whole, basically from the edge of the front door all the way to the back, I can't see that in my peripheral vision, and I can't see that in my mirrors. That is essentially your blind spot. Basically, like, all of this section right here of the car. And I'll tell you what, this van right now, you know, it's fairly big. But let's say it was a smaller car, like, boom, you bet you didn't see that one coming. Like this little Cooper over here, okay? This is my other coworker's car. Just a random little fact there. But let's say it was a smaller car. This is much smaller than that. Arguably, this car, this little small car, that smaller car can fit in this portion right here of the van. So if that car was driving right here relative to my car, guess what? I would check my mirror, I would check my other mirror, and I wouldn't see it because it would be all back here, okay? Do you follow what I'm trying? I mean, I'm asking a camera. You're not going to answer me, but I hope that you're following what I'm trying to say. Your blind spot is basically the spot on the side of your car that your rear view mirror can't see, and your side mirror. You can't see it when you look at your rear view mirror or your side mirror. And it is big enough essentially for any regular sized car, especially a car of this size, but any regular sized car to fit completely in that blind spot. Meaning this Mini Cooper on this side could be driving beside me over here in my blind spot the entire time. And if I just check my mirrors and I switch lanes, boom, we are going to collide. Very simple. And that is the reason why you check your blind spot, because there could be a car there. Now, another thing, let's say a cyclist was just riding at the same speed as my car. A cyclist could easily fit in just a tiny part of my big blind spot. Like they could easily fit there. And if I went to make a turn without checking my blind spot, I might collide with the cyclist, which could be very, very bad. It probably would be very, very bad. That's why you check your rear view mirror, your side mirror, and you look at your blind spot, because then you can see that Mini Cooper. You can see that car. You can see that cyclist over there. And the same thing goes with your driver's side. Now, a lot of people, I've heard, you know, arguments that the driver's side doesn't have a blind spot in some cars. And that, I don't know if that's true, but I will tell you, I always check my blind spot on my passenger side and my driver's side, because I only know that, you know, it's much safer, put it that way. But I can foresee how, you know, this shows me a lot more of a lot more space, but I would still check it because I would argue that there is at least still a small blind spot, even on the driver's side. But that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video on understanding the blind spots of a car. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.